Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property, like location, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and loan category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, facilities, and uses, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen amenities will be required at checking. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. The details and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. Provided in the description. This property if you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.